Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Craft with Sheena. How are you friends? Hope you all are doing. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding and very creative Mother of the Bride and Party outfit collection. Beautiful, gorgeous, latest, outstanding, different, stylish and very creative Mother of the Bride dresses designs. Beautiful, gorgeous, latest, outstanding, stylish collection. It's a very beautiful, outstanding and creative party wear dress design. Today we are looking at a beautiful collection of party wear dresses, elegant Mother of the Bride dresses, lace party wear designs, and chiffon dresses, georgette dresses, and many other stylish outfits. You can watch this video. Fashion is not only about looking beautiful, it is also about feeling confident and comfortable. Every dress in this collection has its own unique charm, making it perfect for weddings, parties, family gathering, and special occasions. Mother of the Bride dresses are designed with elegance and grace. These outfits often feature beautiful embroidery, soft fabrics, and flattering cuts that create a sophisticated look. A well-chosen dress can make a mother feel proud, stylish, and comfortable while celebrating one of the most important days in her family. Soft color, delicate lace, and flowing silhouette remains popular choices because they never go out of fashion. Party wear dresses are perfect for women who love glamour and style. From sparkling embellishments to luxurious fabric, these dresses help create a memorable appearance. Whether you prefer a classic design or a modern trend, there is always a beautiful outfit to match your personality. Fashion is about expressing yourself, and the right dress can make every event feel even more special. Lace dresses continue to be a favorite choice for many women around the world. Lace adds elegance, femininity, and timeless beauty to any outfit. A lace party wear dress can look both sophisticated and fashionable, making it suitable for weddings, evening parties, and formal gatherings. The detailed patterns and delicate craftsmanship make lace dresses truly special. Chiffon dresses are loved for their lightweight and graceful appearance. The soft and flowing fabric creates a beautiful movement that looks elegant with every step. Chiffon outfits are comfortable to wear and suitable for many occasions. They offer a perfect balance between style and comfort, making them a popular choice for women of all ages. Georgette dresses are another fashionable option that combines beauty with practicality. The fabric has a lovely texture and drapes beautifully on different body types. Georgette outfits can be styled for both casual and formal occasions. Their versatility allows women to create different looks while staying comfortable throughout the day. Fashion collections continue to evolve every season with new designs, colors, and creative details. Designers work hard to introduce fresh style that inspire women to experiment with their wardrobes, from elegant evening gowns to stylish party dresses. Every collection offers something unique for fashion lovers. Exploring new trends can be exciting and help people discover their personal style. For those interested in online business, fashion can also create wonderful opportunities. Many successful entrepreneurs start by sharing dress collection online through social media platforms. By posting beautiful designs, helpful styling tips, and engaging content, people can build a loyal audience and grow their business step by step. Consistency and quality in are important keys to success. When choosing a dress, always focus on comfort, confidence, and personal preference. Trends may change, but confidence never goes out of style. A dress should make you feel happy and comfortable while reflecting your unique personality. Fashion is most beautiful when it helps people feel confident in themselves. It's a very beautiful, gorgeous, highly demanding, and very creative party outfit collection. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. If you are interested in online work or online business, remember that learning new skills is one of the best investment you can make. Skills such as stitching, fashion design, content creation, and digital marketing can open many opportunities. The internet allows people to share their creativity with the world and even turn their passion into a source of income. The most important thing is to stay honest, keep learning, and provide value to others. Good manners, patience, and dedication always help people build trust and long term success. Fashion is also a wonderful example of creativity and hard work. Every design begins with an idea, and through patience, dedication, and skill, it becomes a beautiful finished piece. The same principle applies to life and online business. Success does not happen overnight. Whether you are learning stitching, designing dresses, creating content, or building an online business, consistency is the key. Small efforts made every day can lead to great achievements in the future. Many successful people started with very little, but they continue learning, improving, and believing in their goals. If you are interested in online work or business, remember that learning new skills is one of the best investment you can make. Skills. Thank you for spending your time with us today. I hope this elegant mother of the bride dresses idea will inspire you and remind you that true style comes from confidence, grace, and a positive mindset. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep moving forward toward your dream. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more fashion information, creative ideas, and online business motivation. See you in the next video. And it's a very beautiful, amazing, outstanding designs, beautiful, gorgeous, latest ideas. Do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, highly demanding, and very gorgeous, luxurious, and very demanding party outfit collection. Most beautiful, latest, stylish, amazing, different party outfit designs, beautiful, gorgeous, stylish collection. Do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Support my channel. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Hope you like all ideas and collection. It's a very beautiful, very useful, highly demanding, and gorgeous party outfit collection. Beautiful, gorgeous mother of the bride dresses design, gorgeous, stylish, different articles, different creative collection. Most beautiful, stylish, different ideas. Hope you like all ideas in collection. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like this one is a very beautiful big designer article, and this one is a very creative, outstanding designer collection. Hope you like all ideas in collection. It's a very beautiful, latest, demanding articles. Most beautiful, stylish, different designs. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel. Latest and big designer dresses, most beautiful, stylish, different ideas. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.